Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Kia Tasman is the latest addition to Kia's impressive lineup, boasting advanced features, sleek design, and innovative technology. As excitement builds around this highly anticipated vehicle, several YouTube channels are creating detailed content to keep car enthusiasts and potential buyers informed. Here's a list of channels covering the 2025 Kia Tasman, offering everything from reviews to performance tests. Redline Reviews is a favorite among car enthusiasts for its thorough and unbiased vehicle reviews. Their video on the 2025 Kia Tasman explores every aspect of the car, including its performance, design, and interior features. The channel's expert commentary and high-quality visuals make it a must-watch. Car Wow is known for its engaging and detailed comparisons. Their coverage of the 2025 Kia Tasman includes side-by-side reviews with competitors, giving viewers an in-depth look at how the Tasman fares in terms of pricing, features, and performance. A trusted name in automotive reviews, Kelley Blue Book's YouTube channel provides professional insights into the 2025 Kia Tasman. They focus on the car's value, practicality, and unique features, making it ideal for buyers who want to understand the Tasman's real-world benefits. The Straight Pipes offers an entertaining take on car reviews, blending humor with technical knowledge. Their Tasman video dives into driving dynamics, comfort, and the car's standout features, ensuring an informative yet fun viewing experience. Auto Trader's channel is perfect for those looking for detailed, buyer-focused reviews. Their coverage of the 2025 Kia Tasman highlights its interior space, safety features, and overall reliability, making it a valuable resource for families and daily drivers. Motor Trend channel dives deep into the engineering and technology of vehicles. Their video on the 2025 Kia Tasman explores its drivetrain, hybrid options, and innovative tech, offering insights that tech-savvy buyers will appreciate. Specializing in cars from Asian manufacturers, Asian Petrolhead delivers detailed reviews of Kia vehicles. Their Tasman video includes a comprehensive walkthrough of the car's design, tech features, and performance, paired with real-world test drives. These channels offer diverse perspectives on the 2025 Kia Tasman, catering to all types of viewers, from car enthusiasts to first-time buyers. Whether you're interested in in-depth performance reviews, interior design walkthroughs, or comparisons with other models, these channels have you covered. With the 2025 Kia Tasman promising to be a game-changer in its segment, staying informed through these expert reviews will help you make the most of this exciting release. Tune in and discover what makes the Tasman a standout choice.